Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I created this simple, easy wall art piece. I started off by getting my vision board together in order to determine what kind of vibe I wanted to go for. I definitely liked this white on black look. Then I chose a design that I wanted and I just drew that onto a piece of paper the same size as my canvas. If drawing isn't really your thing, no problem, you can always just print this out and use that instead. Once that was done, I painted my canvas with this black acrylic paint in order to create the background. Then I placed my drawing over the canvas and taped it down using some scotch tape. You definitely want to use a tape that's not going to ruin your canvas. After that was done, I just took a normal sewing needle and I poked holes into where the lines of my drawing was. Now I used holes that were about 1 centimeter apart, but when it got to parts of the drawing that were very curvy or delicate, I put my holes a little bit closer together because I still wanted to maintain the shape of this drawing. Once I was done, I removed the tape and this is what my canvas ended up looking like. Using the holes as a guideline, I took some white cotton and a needle and just sewed the picture onto this canvas using a back stitch, as you'll see in a minute. And that was literally all that I did for this piece. Super easy, super simple, and I love the way that it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.